Okay, we're going to go over replacing the air filter in your BMW F850GS. Very simple. You only need one tool. So first thing you'll need to do is remove your seat. All you'll do here is put your key in, turn it, you'll hear the seat pop up, lift up, slide it forward, and go ahead and get that out of the way. Next, we need to remove the fuel tank cover piece here. You're going to have 2 screws right here, and then 2 screws up here. One right there, and then one on the other side. Right there. And now this cover will lift right up off of here. You'll have to pry up a little bit and you'll feel this front part pop out of there. And just set that off to the side. Now when you look down in here, you'll see a tab right here. We're going to push it on that tab and then pull up to remove, watch the hose right there, it's in there, to remove the air filter assembly. And there it is. Just go ahead and pop that out of there. Here's our new one from K&N. So I'll go ahead and open this up and set this in there. We'll just set that right inside there. And then slide that cartridge right back down in the way it came out. And again, just keep your hose out of the way here. And you heard it click in. Now I'll place this hose right back in that channel it was resting in. So on this cover we're going to put back on, you'll see 2 tabs are here. That's what we heard pop off. And then you have another one here. So 3 tabs here that pop into these pieces around the fuel filler. And then there's some tabs here that line up with these pieces all along this piece. So go ahead and set that right back down on there, and it's very easy to line these up and then just press it back into place. Very simple, lines right back up. Our screw holes line up, so we'll go ahead and put our 4 screws back in and we're done. And that's all there is to replacing your air filter in your BMW GS. Really hope that helped you out. If you like this video at all, please subscribe, hit the video with a like. I thank you for watching.